हेलो एवरीबॉडी। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ इंडिगो एयरलाइन के न्यू ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट के कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस जो मेरे साथ उन कैंडिडेट से शेयर किए गए हैं जिन्होंने रिसेंटली ये ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट अटेंड किया है अपने घर पे बैठकर, क्योंकि अब ये नया प्रोसेस हो चुका है। पहले आपको ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट अटेंड करना है, क्लियर करना है। अगर आपको इनविटेशन आएगा तो ही आप इंटरव्यू देने के लिए वेन्यू पे जा सकते हैं। तो जो भी क्वेश्चंस मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी, इन सब के मैं सैम्पल आंसर्स भी आपके साथ इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करूंगी फॉर यू टू गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एज टू हाउ यू कैन प्रिपेयर योर आंसर्स केस यू आर प्लानिंग टू अटेंड दिस ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मेरा नाम है रचना, वेलकम टू माई चैनल। Okay, so the first question is, have you ever witnessed a cultural misunderstanding? How did you resolve it? Well, yes, I have witnessed a cultural misunderstanding recently with my newly moved in neighbors. So it is an elderly couple that has moved in recently near my house. I decided to go and introduce myself and meet them and break the ice between us. However, I got to know that we have a language barrier. They do not speak English or any of the languages that I know, and vice versa. So I decided to use hand gestures in greeting them and communicating with them. While communicating through hand gestures, I think that I offended the elderly couple with some of my gestures, wherein I was only trying to explain about the apartment and the accommodation rules and everything. So I quickly understood that by their facial expressions. I gauged the facial expressions and I stopped, and I realized that this is not going to work, and I did not want to create a misunderstanding. So I removed my phone and I typed in everything, and I asked ChatGPT to translate in the language that they spoke in, just to make sure that we have clear communication and there is no misunderstanding, because I believe in building and maintaining relationships. So that was not too much of a cultural misunderstanding that I faced, but just a bit. Question is, what digital well-being practices would you recommend for busy professionals? Well, I also follow these two digital well-being practices. One is managing screen time or keeping a tab on my screen time. So I make sure that I keep a tab on my screen time. I have settings that indicate to me that I'm increasing or I'm crossing my screen time limits for a particular duration. The next thing that I also personally do, like I said, is to disconnect the internet and connect with people face to face, or socialize with people face to face. And that is what I would like to recommend busy professionals. Question: talk about a recent video you watched that inspired you. Well, if I had to answer this question, I would say I recently watched a video on a place which is called Yakutsk. If I'm not wrong, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's in Russia. It's one of the coldest places on earth, and the video shows the lives of people who are still residing there and how they are living their lives normally in spite of climatic extremities. Now, something that was very inspiring and the takeaway for me from that video was continue living your life in spite of all the extremities. If you are determined, you can do whatever you wish to do. Next question is, have you ever convinced somebody about your values and tried to change their perspective? Well, yes, I have tried to change a couple of people's perspective. Now, as a person, I am a minimalist person, which basically means I do not like buying things unnecessarily until and unless I find that it is of use to me. And yes, I have shared this with a lot of people who I feel spend money recklessly without making sure if they need a particular product or not, and they just continue to keep on buying. So yes, I have explained to them about making the planet available for our future generations, and only when we think about sustainability is when our future generations will be able to have a cleaner, greener, and a more livable planet. And yes, this has been my value that I have passed on to a lot of people who I felt were spending recklessly on things they didn't need to buy. Next question: describe a situation where you had to make a quick decision. Well, I've had many such situations in my life where I had to make quick decisions, and yes, what you've got to do, you've got to do. So I went to attend my friend's wedding, and on my way back, I was supposed to return on a certain day. However, due to unforeseen circumstances, my flight got cancelled, and I had to make sure that I reach back my base in order to resume my work on time, because work is worship for me and it is my responsibility to make sure that I reach and report to duty when I am supposed to report to duty. So, since my flight got cancelled, I booked a train. I took the first train available since it would take longer now for me to travel back to my base. So I took the first available train and I reported back. Yes, I had to cut down on my personal time. Yes, I had to cut down on a bit of celebrations. I was thankful to God that I was able to attend her wedding, but not the after formalities of the wedding. Your responsibility towards your task should be of utmost priority at all times, and that's what I did that day. Next question is, how do you usually start your morning? Well, I start my morning very slow. I like to take it easy, take it slow, and then gain momentum eventually. So I start my day by thanking God, by sipping on a hot cup of coffee, and then checking my list of to-dos for the day. And once I've taken a shower, then the race generally starts to complete all the to-dos. Next question is, what digital well-being habits do you personally follow? Well, if I had to answer this question, I will say I follow two digital well-being habits. One is making sure that I keep a tab on my screen time. I make sure that I have alarms set up on my devices to ensure that they indicate to me when I'm exceeding my screen time limit. And the next habit that I follow is to disconnect from the internet and connect with people face to face or physically, interact with them over interacting on social media or on the internet. So these are two digital well-being habits that I follow. Next question is, describe a time you persuaded someone to try a new idea. Well, a friend of mine was a shopaholic and she would always go and buy different kind of salwar kameezes and Indian wear every now and then. So I saw this habit of hers, and eventually I had to convince her not to spend so much money, because I thought of it as a responsibility as well, and I also thought of it as something where money was being spent unnecessarily. I persuaded her and I convinced her that she could design her own outfits from the old clothes that she had, and that would look more trendier than the ones that are already in the market, because she would exceptionally design it the way she wanted to, and it would be an exceptional design just carried out by her. And that is something that she was convinced with, and eventually she followed it. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, आप अपने खाली समय का उपयोग कैसे करते हैं? अगर मुझे इसका जवाब देना होता तो आई वुड से कि मैं अपने खाली समय का उपयोग अपने दोस्तों से और अपने परिवार से मिलकर करती हूँ. इसके अलावा मुझे वो वीडियोस देखना पसंद है जो कि एक मनुष्य के सकारात्मक सोच को बढ़ावा देते हैं. मैं ऐसा मानती हूँ कि हर व्यक्ति को ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में रिसर्च करना चाहिए या उसके बारे में पढ़ना चाहिए जो कि मन की सकारात्मकता बनाए रखे. मेरा खाली समय इन चीज़ों में व्यतीत होता है. ये थे सैम्पल आंसर्स इन सब क्वेश्चंस के. आज के इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन में कोई भी डाउट है तो फील फ्री टू राइट दैट टू मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड आई विल रिप्लाई टू यू. अगर आपने भी अपना ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट दिया है तो फील फ्री टू शेयर दोज क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो. या अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन का सैम्पल आंसर में कोई भी असिस्टेंस चाहिए तो यू कैन राइट डाउन दैट क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो टू मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड आई विल रिप्लाई टू यू ईदर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ वीडियो और इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ कमेंट. लाइक आई सेड, आज के इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. फॉर मोर फ्यूचर कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यूज एंड जॉब रिलेटेड कॉन्टेंट के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम. गुड बाय.